Welcome, food enthusiasts and busy professionals alike, to a culinary journey that will redefine your morning routine with delicious, healthy breakfasts. Today, we're exploring 3 nutritious recipes that are as easy to prepare as they are tasty. First, we'll blend together a vibrant power smoothie, followed by creamy overnight oats that'll be ready to enjoy when you wake up. Lastly, we'll whip up a protein-packed egg dish that's sure to keep you satisfied all morning long. Ready to dive into a world of flavor and nutrition? Stay tuned. First up on our breakfast menu is a vibrant power smoothie, a perfect blend of taste and health. This divine concoction is not only a feast for the palate, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that will keep you energized throughout your busy day. Let's dive right into it. Here's what you'll need: a ripe banana, a handful of fresh or frozen mixed berries, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a dollop of Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk. Now, why these ingredients? Well, bananas are an excellent source of potassium and give your smoothie a creamy texture. Berries, apart from being delicious, are packed with antioxidants. Protein powder keeps you satiated for longer, and chia seeds are a great source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Greek yogurt adds a protein punch and creaminess, and almond milk keeps the calorie count low. All right, let's get blending. Start by peeling and slicing the banana into your blender. Toss in your mixed berries, followed by the protein powder and chia seeds. Spoon in the Greek yogurt and pour in the almond milk. Now it's time to blend. Give it a good whirl until it's smooth and creamy. If you find it too thick, add a bit more almond milk and blend again. And if you fancy a touch of sweetness, a drizzle of honey or a few drops of stevia will do the trick. There you have it. In a matter of minutes, you've whipped up a nutritious, delicious power smoothie. Pour it into your favorite glass or a mason jar if you're on the go. Top it with a sprinkle of granola or a few fresh berries for an extra crunch or burst of flavor. In just a few quick steps, your power smoothie is ready to kickstart your day. Trust me, once you've tasted this, you'll never want to skip breakfast again. Up next, we'll be moving on to our overnight oats tutorial, another easy breakfast idea that's just as nutritious and delicious. Stay tuned. Next, we're whipping up some creamy, delightfully easy overnight oats. Now, if you're always on the move and need something that's quick, nutritious, and delicious for your morning meals, overnight oats are your answer. This recipe is a fantastic way to start your day with a healthy breakfast that requires minimal effort. Let's get started. First, you'll need rolled oats. Oats are a great source of fiber and can help keep you full until lunchtime. For every half cup of oats, you'll need half a cup of milk. You can use any type of milk you prefer, from dairy to almond to oat milk. Next, you'll need a sweetener. You can use honey, maple syrup, or even a ripe banana. For a half cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of sweetener should suffice. Now comes the fun part, the mix-ins. The beauty of overnight oats is that you can customize it to your liking. You can add fruits like berries, bananas, or apples. You can also add nuts or seeds for a crunchy texture and extra nutrition. To put it all together, in a jar or bowl, combine the oats, milk, sweetener, and your chosen mix-ins. Stir well to make sure everything is evenly distributed. Then cover the mixture and pop it in the refrigerator. While you're sleeping, the oats will soak up the milk and the flavors from the mix-ins, turning into a creamy, flavorful breakfast. In the morning, just give it a quick stir. Add a splash of milk if it's too thick, and it's ready to eat. Overnight oats are not just an easy breakfast idea, they're a powerhouse of nutrition. The oats provide fiber, the milk gives you calcium, the fruits add vitamins, and the nuts or seeds contribute healthy fats. And there you have it, a bowl of creamy overnight oats waiting for you when you wake up. Last, but certainly not least, we're crafting a protein-packed egg dish to keep you fueled all morning. A cornerstone of nutritious recipes, eggs are a veritable powerhouse of protein. They are incredibly versatile and can be adapted to suit nearly any dietary preference. Let's embark on our culinary adventure, shall we? Our ingredient list is simple. We've got eggs, of course, but also a medley of colorful vegetables. Think bell peppers, spinach, and cherry tomatoes. A sprinkling of cheese is optional, but it adds a lovely creamy texture. First, we'll start by sautéing our vegetables in a hot pan. The key here is to get them slightly softened, but still bursting with vibrant color. Now, while the veggies are sizzling away, crack open your eggs into a bowl. Give them a good whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Once the vegetables are ready, it's time to pour in the eggs. And here's a tip for you. Keep the heat on medium-low. It may take a little longer, but this ensures your eggs stay tender and creamy. As the eggs start to set around the edges, gently stir them from the outside in. This technique helps distribute the heat evenly, cooking your eggs to perfection. When your eggs are mostly set but still slightly runny, it's time to add the cheese if you're using it. Now remember, this is where you can really make this dish your own. If you're plant-based, why not try a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor? Or if you're cutting out carbs, you could skip the veggies and go for a hearty sausage scramble instead. So there you have it. A simple yet delicious protein-packed egg dish that's sure to satisfy your morning hunger pangs. And the best part? It's one of those easy breakfast ideas that you can whip up in no time at all. With this protein-packed breakfast, you're all set to conquer the day. So, there you have it. 3 delicious, nutritious breakfast recipes to shake up your morning routine. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane and revisit the key steps of each recipe. First, we dove into the world of power smoothies, a refreshing and energizing morning meal. With a medley of fruits, veggies, and protein-rich Greek yogurt, these smoothies are not just a treat for the taste buds, but a powerhouse of nutrients. Remember, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, blend your fruits and veggies, add Greek yogurt for that protein punch, and top it off with a splash of almond milk for the perfect consistency. Next, we moved on to the overnight oats tutorial. The beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity and versatility. You can mix and match your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds to create a unique flavor profile every time. The oats soak up all the goodness overnight, making for a hearty, fiber-rich breakfast in the morning. Just combine your oats with milk, add your favorite toppings, and let the refrigerator do the rest of the work. Our final stop was the protein-packed egg dish, a classic breakfast choice with a healthy twist. We used nutrient-dense ingredients like spinach, tomatoes, and bell peppers, and cooked them with eggs to create a filling and balanced meal. It's a simple sauté, whisk, and bake process that even the busiest of professionals can manage. Each of these recipes brings something unique to the breakfast table, from the refreshing power smoothie to the hearty overnight oats and the protein-packed egg dish. They're not just easy to prepare, but they're also brimming with nutrients to keep you going strong all day long. So why not give these recipes a whirl? Shake up your morning routine and start your day with a healthy breakfast that's as delicious as it is nutritious. We'd love to hear how these recipes turn out for you, so don't hesitate to share your experiences in the comments section. Remember, a healthy breakfast is the best way to start your day. Eat well, live well, and until next time, happy cooking.